live box break here of the Panini Prizm 2016 NFL. Hoping to get an Ezekiel Elliott or Dak Prescott rookie card. Hopefully autograph, jersey, all that good stuff. So we're going to open up 2 of the Black Friday 2016 packs. Got hooked up by Royal Sports, New York City. Yeah, Steven Strasburg, Lionel Messi, pretty cool. Nice. Dame Lillard. And a sweet Paul George. I don't know if these cards are numbered, but they're only available in these packs. So, you know, they do have some rarity to it. And I'm going to open up the box here. So the hits in this card are, you know, with the Panini Prizm boxes, you usually get the Prizm cards. So you have the orange, light blue, blue wave, purple scope, red crystal, green power, Cosmo, gold vinyl, finite, numbered from 299 to 1. Then you have the rookie Prizm orange, same color flows repeating, shiny stars Prizm, which are numbered 10 to 1. Draft Gems Prizm, which are numbered 10 to 1. So a lot of rare hits here. So we have 12 cards per pack. 12 packs per box. Alright, so first pack here. Danny Woodhead, Carson Palmer, Tyrod Taylor, Kamar Aiken, Greg Olsen, Carlos Williams. And these cards are a lot thicker than usual Prizms. It's pretty cool. Tony Romo. Ah, nice. Sterling Shepard from the Giants, rookie card. It's pretty sweet right there. He's doing a great job playing alongside Victor Cruz and Mr. OBJ, Odell Beckham. Mike Thomas, rookie. He's doing a good job as well. Wendell Smallwood. Devontae Booker. Doing a great job out in the Broncos. Starting running back now after, you know, their starter got hurt for the year. And this year, they're giving out digital packs, 10 free packs for if you download the Panini app. So we're just going to separate the base cards. Put them right over here. Pull out rookie insert cards. Mike Thomas was a blue Prizm. And this card was pretty good. This pack had 4 rookies. It's not bad. Again, Devontae Booker, which was a Prizm. And so was the Wendell Small Prizm. Prizm. All right, so we have Jalen Strong, Larry Donald, Delanie Walker from the Titans. He's doing a solid job with Marcus Mariota this year. Rob Gronkowski, always a great player. James Winston, he's having a decent year as well. RG3, Emmitt Smith, little classic card right there. Colin Kaepernick. And we have a first autograph, Jerome Adams from the New York Giants. So I live in New York, so I should be able to move this card with no problem. And it's also a cool collectible. And we also have a red Prizm, red crystal Prizm, Tyrod Taylor, Buffalo Bills, and this is a really nice one. Braxton Miller rookie card. Another Jerome Adams rookie card. And a couple promo cards. So this one's a 15% off NFL shop. Might come in handy for Christmas. Alright, so we have Golden Tate, Andre Williams from the Giants, Josh Norman, incredible cornerback. Just signed a big contract too. Austin Safarian Jenkins, Brandon Cooks. He's doing his thing out in New Orleans. DeAngelo Williams had a strong start while Le'Veon Bell was out. Terrence Williams, C.J. Anderson. You know, that injury cost him, and that's what led Devontae Booker to become a star with the starting lineup. Another Jalen Strong. 250 points for Panini Rewards. Emmanuel Agba, rookie. And Eli Apple, rookie card. So a lot of Giants cards so far. Pretty excited about that. And let's separate the rookie cards. All right, so we got Chris Johnson, Tevin Coleman, Alan Hearns, Ted Ginn Jr., Emmanuel Sanders, Brandon Marshall from the Jets, great wide receiver, Jay Ajayi, who's having a monster year this season. He's doing a great job down in Miami with running the ball. Charkandrick West. And we got our first draft gem, Richard Sherman from Legion of Doom over for the Seattle Seahawks. This is a nice card, and it's also a Prizm. It's a nice one. And we got our first purple Prizm, Brian Quick from the Rams. This is a nice card as well. Prizm. Rookie card, Kelvin Taylor. And a rookie for Rashard Higgins. Alright, so we got Allen Robinson for the Jaguars. Kelvin Benjamin. Steve Smith Sr. Richard Sherman again. Philip Dorsett. Devontae Adams from Green Bay. He's been able to step up with the recent struggles. Mr. Eli Manning from the Giants. Yes, sir. Another Austin Seferian-Jenkins. And a orange prism, Carson Palmer. Real nice card. Prism. A lot of folks were expecting the Cardinals to have a much better season. They lost a lot of games that they should have won. Jonathan Williams rookie card, and Jalen Ramsey. And a few more coupons for the NFL store. All right, so we got a Bilal Powell, Lamar Miller, great running back, Joe Flacco, Phillip Rivers, very underrated, Randall Cobb, injuries have really affected him, great wide receiver, Frank Gore, solid running back, Matt Ryan, another underrated quarterback. Him and Julio Jones worked magic down in Atlanta. Jordan Reed. Just came back from injury, had a big game. He's doing really well for the Redskins. They're pushing really hard to win that division. Fortunately, the Dallas Cowboys are having a superb season. Josh Norman again. And we have a DeAndre Washington green prism autograph card. This is really nice. It's numbered 10 out of 49. So this is a nice card right here. And it's also a rookie. Connor rookie. Actually, Connor Cook, I'm sorry about that. And a Carl Joseph rookie. So it seems like every pack's having about 2 or 3 rookie cards in it. So it's great for anyone who's collecting rookie cards for each season. So we're about halfway through into the box break. We have 6 packs left. So we are almost done. I think we are going through this box break fairly fast. And we've gotten 2 autograph cards so far. So we still have 1 more left. So I'm hoping for a big name hit. Alright, so we got Antonio Brown, super wide receiver. Andy Dalton. Latavius Murray, John Brown, Dan Marino, Hall of Famer, one of the greatest quarterbacks ever. Adrian Peterson, AP is a work of art. This guy is not human. Can't wait for him to come back. Supposedly going to be practicing soon, so he'll come back from that tough injury earlier in the year. Matt Jones, he's been doing a good job over in Washington, filling in for and stepping up as they're running back. Jamal Charles still recovering from that tough ACL injury from last year. Just a sad case. This guy was one of the best players in football. Another Golden Tate. This one here is actually a prism. And we have an orange prism for Quentin Patton from the 49ers. It's numbered out of 299. A Jordan Howard rookie card and a Darius Jackson rookie card. All right, so we got a Brock Osweiler, Brent Selleck, Darrell Revis, Mr. Revis Island. Vincent Jackson, C.J. Spiller. Le'Veon Bell, solid player, big fan. Mr. Juice. Dez Bryant, throw your X up. Solid player. Cowboys are playing great this year too. Mark Sanchez, former Jet, probably more famous for the famous butt fumble a couple years ago. I still can't believe that happened. And we got an insert card, Shiny Star, Amari Cooper, doing an incredible job for the Raiders, who are also having a solid season. You know, aside from the Raiders fans, folks didn't really expect this kind of run. So, you know, thanks to him, Latavius Murray, and Derek Carr, great job this year. And we got another orange Prizm, another Giants card, Jarrell Adams. We got a lot of special Jarrell Adams cards, numbered out of 299. So, you know, he should be expecting to be a force soon. They still have Larry Donald, so essentially, you know, when he becomes the primary tight end, you know, I'm sure he'll be well with Eli. And then we have a rookie card, Jacoby Brissett, and CJ Proceeds, who's been playing really well for the Seahawks whenever he's had opportunity. They just recently released Chrisette Michaels. So CJ Pros has been able to step in along with Rawls. So pretty good pick right here, rookie. And it's also Prizm. All right, so DeAndre Hopkins, incredible wide receiver. You might have seen him in one of my NFL Madden videos on the channel. Monster. I mean, this guy is really, really good. He's definitely you know, reception master. Victor Cruz, Mr. Salsa. You know, the injuries did affect him, but it's good to have him back this year. He's playing a decent role. Mr. Superman, Cam Newton, Eddie Royal, T.Y. Hilton, Sammy Watkins, another one affected by injuries this year. He's having issues with his foot. Should be coming back within the next week or two. Jeremy Langford was supposed to be the one to step up and you know, have a great season. With Matt Forte leaving to the Jets, unfortunately, he wasn't able to live up to the hype. Jordan Cameron, Andre Williams. This is a Prizm card as well. And we have another fancy Prizm. Willie Snead, numbered 149. It's a nice one. And a Jared Goff rookie card. The Rams are bringing him on very slowly. But he's going to be a star. And he's numbered card as well. And Tajai Sharp, rookie. Wide receiver for the Titans as well. I mean, our offense is doing really good. Definitely having DeMarco Murray part of that team boosted them up tremendously. So it was a good gamble. Because, you know, DeMarco didn't really do well in Philadelphia after having a monster season in Dallas. So that worked out perfect for the Titans. Big fan of DeMarco Murray too, so I'm glad it did. Darren Sproles, he's been able to step in for DeMarco Murray, and you know, he's running back. Doesn't get a lot of yardage on the run, but incredible catch making skills. Tyler Lockett, Matt Forte, filling in nicely at the Jets. They're just having a really, really tough year. I mean, many reasons. I won't get into that. Amir Abdullah, Brian Hartline, Antonio Gates, legendary tight end, Torrey Smith, Robert Woods, and we have a gold Prizm rookie card for Kenny Clark from the Packers. This is nice, numbered out of 10. It's a pretty sick pull. And we got number 7 of 10, Lucky 7, Gold Prizm. And right after that, we got a blue Prizm. Vance McDonald, number out of 199. We got a DeMarcus Robinson rookie and a Charles Tapper rookie. Still haven't pulled Prescott or Elliott rookie. I'm hoping to get in one of these last 2 packs. We also still have one more autograph card left, so let's cross our fingers, folks. All right, so we got a Travis Benjamin. Marcus Mariota is having a great season. A Garrett Blount playing really well for the Patriots, especially when Tom Brady was out for the suspension. Brandon Pettigrew. Kevin White. Classic Cowboy Michael Irvin. Kenny Britt's having a bounce back year. Disappeared for several seasons. Always had a lot of talent, so he's doing really well for the Rams. Kobe Fleener, filling in nicely for the Saints. It's another team that we always expect to do a bit better than what they actually are, but you know, he's filling in pretty well. Had a couple strong weeks. And speaking of the Saints, we just pulled the insert illumination card of Drew Brees. Can't talk about the Saints without bringing up Mr. Brees. And we also have a purple Prizm. Wave Prizm, rookie card of Jacoby Brissett, quarterback. He did fill in as backup for Tom Brady during the suspension as well. And here we go. Just speaking about not getting one, we got an Ezekiel Elliott rookie card. And as a bonus, it is a Prizm. Let's go. Excited here. This kid is playing amazing. I think he could be a candidate to be MVP. Having a solid season. That Dallas Cowboy offensive line is incredible, but it does take skill to still run the ball and get the yards after the blocks. So really excited about that card right there. Miles Jack rookie card. So we got 1 pack left. We have 1 autograph card left. Who could it be? Pretty nervous here. Feel the excitement. All right, so we have Buck Allen, Clay Matthews. This guy's going to be a Hall of Fame. David Johnson, Mr. Incredible. I'm telling you, this guy can do everything. Catch, run. He's a offensive machine by himself. Julio Jones, one of the greatest wide receivers ever. I'm telling you, his athleticism is amazing. Steve Young, legendary quarterback. Quentin Patton. Some of the cards are stuck together. Mark Ingram, solid running back. Ben Roethlisberger. Him and Antonio Brown. Wow, that's all I got to say. The way they play together is insane. Whenever Big Ben gets hurt, Antonio Brown's numbers are affected tremendously. And they have such a great connection. The dynamics are amazing between them two. Ted Ginn Jr. Larry Donnell, another Giants blue Prizm. I'm really feeling this box. This was like the Giants Prizm box. Okay, it's a good pick. I did roll the dice on that one. My wife picked this box out. She did a good job. Tyreek Hill rookie card. And Keith Hogan rookie card. And that's it, folks. Looks like I might have miscounted. I think I might have gotten another autograph early in the box. Let me just double check. But just to go over some of the big hits. Drew Brees. Illumination insert. Really nice. Sterling Shepard. Rookie introductions insert. Larry Donald Blue Prizm. Numbered out of 199. It's a beautiful card. Jacoby Brissett Rookie Purple Prizm. Numbered out of 99. Vance McDonald Blue Prizm. Numbered out of 199. Kenny Clark Rookie Gold Prizm. Number out of 10. That's right. There's only 10 of these bad boys in the world. So this is nice. Hey, Darren Sproles, how did you get in this deck? Alright, that must have been a mistake. Stacked up a couple cards there. Alright. A couple of those rookies over here with Prizms as well. Willie Snead. This is a nice Prizm here, numbered out of 149. Jerome Adams, rookie for the Giants, numbered out of 299. Orange Prizm. Amari Cooper, Shining Stars insert. Quentin Patton, Orange Prizm, numbered out of 299. DeAndre Washington from the Raiders, Green Prizm, numbered out of 49. So this is a green emerald Prizm. Really, really nice. Carlson Palmer, Orange Prizm. Brian Quick, Purple Prizm, numbered out of 99. Richard Sherman, insert. Tyrod Taylor. It's nice. Jerome Adams. Prizm, rookie. Auto. Mike Thomas. It's nice. And then we have several rookies that we got. Ezekiel Elliott. Again, really excited about that one. Just looking for that third auto. Must have snuck in somewhere. So yeah, you can purchase this box. It is a hobby box. 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. So you get a good amount of common cards as well if you're looking to build up your collection, or just, looking to build up a lot of cards. And as you see, I didn't really get too many duplicates, so it's always a good thing to look for in a box. Okay, folks. I don't think I'm crazy, but there was only 2 autos in this box. Or at least I got it on video, and I can look into that offline. Alright, so thanks for watching this box break. Plan to do more in the future. The boxes are a little pricey, so the box breaks won't happen frequently as my other videos. But I plan to hopefully do at least like one a month, alright? Or maybe one every 2 months, alright? So here you go again, Panini Prizm. Hobby exclusive. Thank you. All right, so realize that the third auto was a redemption card. 250 points. All right, so gonna redeem that on Panini Rewards, and I'll follow up with an update with that. All right, thanks, folks. Thanks for watching Real Legend Gaming. Take care.